What is going on, everybody? My name is Connor McDonald and I'm here with an IAC Go Visual tutorial. Today we're talking about how to set up an account on the platform. Alright, we're going to start on the home page of the new IAC Go Visual website, and if you look up in the top right corner you will see a button to create an account. You'll then be taken to this page with a bunch of form fields for you to fill out, some that are required, some that are not. We please ask you to fill out as much information as possible, even if it is not required. Things such as your username, business name, and other aspects are very important to us. I'm going to jump ahead and fill out the information so you don't have to see that boring part. As you can see, I have entered in all of my information into the required fields. You have the ability to add a custom username to your account. However, if you do not decide to do that, the login information will use your email as the username. If you come down here, I've filled in all of my required address information, and I've added a password, and I've gone through the CAPTCHA to make sure that we are not dealing with robots. If you come down here to the right corner, we'll be able to create my account. My account is created successfully, and I can now log in. So if I go into here and I go into info@iacgobig.com, I enter my password, if I can remember it. As you can see, I'm now logged into the IAC Go Visual platform. I now have the ability to go through my account, order history, save carts, and also navigate through the rest of the website. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to set up an account on the IAC Go Visual website. If you have any other questions regarding the IAC Go Visual platform, please check out our other tutorial videos or contact us using the information below.